Hello and welcome to Hargai, the channel where we appreciate the art and soul of the automobile. Today, we are looking at a car that has always been a fascinating blend of identities, the 2026 Porsche Panamera. When the Panamera first launched, it was controversial. A four-door sedan from Porsche? It was a bold move, but one that ultimately proved successful. Now, with this latest generation, Porsche isn't just selling a car. They are presenting a finely honed masterpiece of design and engineering, a culmination of everything they've learned. Let's start with the design. There is a maturity and elegance to the 2026 model that is truly captivating. It's a long, flowing silhouette that beautifully marries the iconic 911 flyline with the practical proportions of a sedan. Porsche has refined the details, the tighter creases, the delicate yet purposeful LED lighting to create a car that is both athletic and dignified. It doesn't shout for attention, it earns it with quiet confidence. This is a design that will age gracefully, a testament to the philosophy of timelessness that defines the Porsche brand. Moving inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of modern luxury. It's a space crafted not just for driving, but for journeying. The choice of materials, from the supple leather to the cool touch of the metal trim, speaks to a commitment to quality that you can feel. The new digital interface is seamless, integrating technology into the cockpit in a way that feels intuitive, not intrusive. It is a driver-focused environment, yet it remains spacious and comfortable for all passengers. It manages to be a sports car for the driver and a luxury lounge for everyone else, a duality that few cars can truly master. Underneath it all lies a remarkable range of powertrains. Whether it's the potent turbocharged V6, the formidable twin-turbo V8 in the GTS, or the forward-thinking e-hybrid models, there is a Panamera for every persuasion. The hybrids in particular are compelling. They represent a bridge between Porsche's celebrated combustion heritage and its electric future, offering thrilling performance with a nod to efficiency. This isn't about chasing trends, it's about offering meaningful choices. It's this thoughtful approach to performance that makes the Panamera so special. If this kind of deep appreciation for automotive craftsmanship resonates with you, I invite you to join our community by clicking that subscribe button. The new Porsche Active Ride suspension is another area where this thoughtful innovation shines. While other brands might use technology to isolate the driver from the road, Porsche seems to be using it to enhance the connection. The system's ability to counteract the natural forces of cornering and braking isn't about creating a sterile, numb experience. It's about creating a more stable platform from which the driver can explore the car's immense capabilities with greater confidence and comfort. It's a sophisticated solution that serves the art of driving. The 2026 Porsche Panamera is more than just a car. It's a statement about the harmony of performance and practicality, of tradition and innovation. It respects its heritage while boldly looking to the future. It's a car for those who appreciate the finer details, who understand that true luxury isn't about excess, but about excellence. It is, in every sense of the word, a car to be valued. Here at Hargai, we believe a car is more than just metal, glass, and rubber. It's a story of design, passion, and engineering. If you share that belief and want to explore the deeper meaning behind the world's greatest automobiles, please subscribe to our channel. We'd be honored to have you on the journey with us.